Hi, this is Nancy from MovinsEdition. It's a new product from the MovinsEdition, a Sperry topsider Figawi collection. Enjoy the original Dextra brand Sperry topsider product in the United States and the Figawi collection performance product. It's an American Sperry product called the epitome of traditional deck shoes. Can you see it in the product box? Get well. I'm well, but I don't worry. This product has the appearance of a boat shoe down and, above all, it is a performance product that can be dry quickly even if water goes in. If you look at the shape of the outsole, it has a structure that will never slip anywhere. It has a certain amount of cushion that you can wear in running shoes, so it has a comfort function that is not like boat shoes. Details about the outsole. New Hydro Grip, trademark, rubber traction compound for the ultimate in performance traction. Non-marking rubber outsole with Quadro Grip multi-directional. Waist Siping, trademark, providing additional wet-dry traction. This is the new product from the MovinsEdition that only has one product in stock. And the topsider Figawi collection. Original Deck Shoes brand Sperry topsider product from the US was a Figawi collection performance item. Have a good one.